Hi, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Helldivers 2 login limit reached. Please wait to be let in error on PC or PS5. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So first things first, what you can do is sometimes the best solution is the simplest one. So just wait on the loading screen for a few minutes. Maybe someone else will log out, leaving space for you to get undetected. And next, it is actually a good idea to see whether in any maintenance is being done on the game servers. So sadly, you'll have to wait till they are back up and operating normally if they are. And what you can do next is to try using IPv4. So specifying the 8888 as your DNS server by changing your internet options. Also experiment with disabling the IPv6. So these adjustments may have proven to be helpful for some players in overcoming login issues. After that, just never give up if you don't succeed at the first time. So continue using to log in again and again with the recent server capacity expansions. So your perseverance might just pay off. And then what you can do lastly is to try switching between Wi-Fi and a wired connection or vice versa. So just could potentially change things up and help you bypass the login error again. So that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you are having this issue. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.